Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Good, and this will be another luxury unboxing video. So as you can tell by the title, I will be unboxing a Louis Vuitton Monogram strap. Excuse my voice. If you are new to my channel, I do not normally sound like this. I just got back from vacation and I caught a bit of a cold, and right now I'm still quite congested. I do post videos 3 times a week, so definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll go ahead and wait. I'll give you a second to do it. You definitely don't want to miss out on my future videos. I have some really exciting content coming up, and again, I do post 3 times a week. Also, if you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the like button, and we'll go ahead and get started. So I came home to this lovely package. Now, I did already peek inside and unbox it just because I'm impatient like that and I just can't wait. And I've been waiting on this thing for what seems like forever. So when I came back from vacation and I got this, I was just so excited. But I did want to unbox this with you guys on camera just because I want to show you all that even though you may purchase something pre-loved, it doesn't mean you still can't have that like new experience. Even though it's pre-loved, it's still new to you, new to me, and I still get very excited when I get packages. And a lot of the sellers really do put a lot of time and care in how they package it, and they really try to give you that same experience as you would get if you were to purchase it in store. So let's get started. So it came in this bag, but then also it came in another bag, and so as you can see, it just says like Priority Express. It's like an insured package. A lot of times the sellers will ship it insured, ship it priority. I'm not sure if I mentioned yet where I purchased it from, but I got it from the LV Addicted Facebook group. I will link that group below. That is a great group to buy pre-loved. It's very rare that I've never seen any fakes on there. A lot of times they like snoop them out immediately, so you really don't have too much to worry about that. And a lot of times the sellers there, they sell in excellent condition. It comes with dust bags, it comes with boxes. You really do get the whole experience. And I searched high and low for this strap, and I was really happy when I found it. Okay, so open this bag. And this seller bubble wrapped it. So she double bubble wrapped it. Like, she made sure nothing would happen to this strap. All right, so this is the box. It's another pull tab box. Now this one in particular didn't come with a dust bag, but honestly that doesn't bother me. I have plenty of dust bags, and this bad boy will be getting put to use immediately. So yes, here it is. This is the Monogram strap. So as you can see, it's got very little vachetta, so it's going to be very worry free. And I bought this to be used with my pochette accessoire. So as you can see here, it's got a lobster claw and these swivel, and it's in like a gold finish. And then it also has like I don't know what you call this, but like a little shoulder pad. But yeah, it's completely monogram. It is adjustable, so right now it's on the lowest one. I'll probably keep it on this one just because I really like to wear my bags crossbody. But yeah, to give you an idea of how long it is. And again, I bought this to go with all my Monogram pochette accessoire, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on now just because I can't wait any longer. So yeah, this is how it looks. It looks nice. I did purchase this pre-loved as well. When I purchased this, it didn't come with the short vachetta strap that it normally comes with. It came with a long crossbody gold non-LV chain. That was okay, but I really wanted just the complete look. I don't know, like, and that was dressy. To me, this is casual, but it's still nicer than the other one. And I can also put this on other bags too. I do have a mini pochette, but it's in the Azure print, so I probably wouldn't wear this together. I could if I wanted to. But yeah, it's just a nice little crossbody option. I'm really happy with this strap. I'm really happy I got it. I think that this will give me so much more wear out of my bags. And yeah, that's everything for today. Again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post 3 times a week, so I'm constantly putting out content for you all. I also take requests, so I would love it if someone were to give me a video request. Thanks again, guys, and be good to yourself. Bye.